Morning students, welcome back to a computer class. Today we are continuing with our second chapter, that is using Excel as a database. In our last class we have discussed about definition of what is database, what is field, what is record, what is field name, etc. And we have also discussed how to create a form button and how to add a new record in a database. Then we have discussed how to delete a record in a database and how to search a particular record in a database. And finally, we have discussed an important topic of a database, that is sorting. Sorting means to arrange data either in ascending or descending order. Today, we will start our next topic, that is filtering data. Filtering is a quick way to find a set of data in a range. A filtered range displays only the rows that meet the condition specified for a column. जो कंडीशन उसे स्पेसिफाई करेगी वही कॉलम शो होंगे. हाउ टू फिल्टर डेटा? यूजर हैव टू फॉलो द गिवन स्टेप. फर्स्ट, click a cell in the range you want to filter. Then click the data tab on the ribbon. Step 3, click the filter from the sort and filter group. You see small arrows on each column heading. Step 4, click on the arrow on the column heading. Then step 5, click the OK button. Then next is custom filter. What is a custom filter? It is a way to filter data based on some specific conditions. To apply custom filter, user have to follow the given step. Step 1, select a cell and click the data tab, then filter from the sort and filter group. Step 2, click the arrow in the column heading. Step 3, select number filters from the list that appears. Step 4, click custom filter from the sub menu. The custom auto filter dialog box appears. Step 5, choose the option according to the conditions you want. Then step 6, to add another criteria, click and or the or एंड का यूज जब करते हैं इफ यू वांट बोथ द कंडीशंस टू बी ट्रू. यदि आप चाहते हैं कि दोनों कंडीशंस ट्रू तब एंड का यूज करेंगे. एंड इफ यू वांट एनी ऑफ वन ऑफ द कंडीशन टू बी ट्रू, अगर दोनों में से कोई दो कंडीशन में से कोई एक भी ट्रू हो जाए उसके लिए और का यूज करेंगे. देन स्पेसिफाई द सेकंड कंडीशन इन द सेम वे. स्टेप 8, click the OK button to view the rows according to the condition specified. Then next is subtotal. The subtotal feature in Excel helps to use statistical function on the group of data repeatedly in one column. Statistical function means sum, average, count, mean, maximum and product. This helps to manage, analyze and extract specific information from the data. To using this subtotal, you have to follow the given step. Step 1, enter the data, sort the data month wise, select any cell within the table. Step 2, click the on the data tab and select subtotal button from the outline group. The subtotal dialog box appears. Step 3, select month from at each change in drop down list. Step 4, select some function from use function drop down list. Step 5, select the number of repairs servicing checkbox from add subtotal to drop down list. Step 6, replace current subtotal option and summary below data option are selected by default. Deselect replace current subtotals option by clicking on its checkbox, and finally click OK button and observe the result as shown. Then the last important feature of Excel is goal seek. Goal seek is a wonderful feature in Excel that allows a user to use the desired result of a formula to find the possible input value necessary to achieve that result. To apply goal seek, user have to follow the given step. Step 1, create the worksheet. Step 2, select the cell. Step 3, collect the data tab on the ribbon. Step 4, click what if analysis from the forecast group. A drop down list appears. Step 5, select goal seek option. The goal seek dialog box appears. Step 6, write in two value text box. Step 7, click on the by changing cell text box. And step 8, click on the OK button. Then the next topic is grouping worksheet. What is grouping worksheet? Excel provides the facility to edit multiple worksheets as a group at once go. When you group the worksheets, any change you make on the active worksheet are applied in all other worksheet of that group. मतलब ग्रुप में हम एक भी वर्कशीट के अंदर चेंज करते हैं तो बाकी वर्कशीट में ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो जाएगी. ये ग्रुप ये चेंज ये यूज है हमारा ग्रुपिंग वर्कशीट का. एंड द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज दैट consolidation. Consolidation means helps in combining data from multiple worksheet into one worksheet. The consolidated worksheet can be in the same workbook or an or can be on another workbook. If you have consolidated it, you can update one or more workbook. The updating will automatically be reflected in the consolidated workbook. So students, in this chapter we have discussed about the database, about the Excel. Excel is a combination of row and column, and row and column is also called the field and record. And we have discussed how to add record and how to search and delete the record, how to sort the record, how to filter the record, how to goals, how to use goal seek feature, how to use subtotal feature, and lastly we have discussed grouping, worksheet and consolidation. Thank you class for watching.